Hi guys, it is October, so we're going to do some spooky stuff in the lead up to Halloween. So, today we're going to draw Jack Skellington from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Have you seen that one? It's a really good one. It's a really fun film. So, let's start with his head. It's going to go a little bit like that. It's got a slight point on the top there, but almost round. I think that's the shape we're looking for. And then roughly, again, with your pencil, just explore the page that looks right. That looks about right to me. I think that one, yeah, that's looking pretty good there. And then the little nose bits through there. So that's your middle line. It's going either side of that with your nose bits there. And then we're going to have the mouth that comes all the way down there, up there, and around there. So you can see that's coming to life, or this, already, isn't it? That's looking pretty good. And he's got this long neck like that, and then what he's really got, the distinguishing feature of the lines on the mouth, little stitches on there like that. So we'll draw his collar, which comes out all crazy like this. You can have him in any sort of pose you want. He's quite a flamboyant character, isn't he? So we'll draw a little bow tie in there. But again, it's your drawing. All your drawings, you can do them however you want, and that is right. Whenever you do it, it's right, because that's what you did. It's all your choice. So you have this roughly his arms coming out like this, and then that's his suit. He's a very dapper gentleman. He dresses very nicely indeed. So roughly, again, don't worry about these sort of lines here. Just draw them until they're right, and then you can just guide with the pen the one that you like. So I'm going to draw him like this. I've drawn that a bit long, so come back there. Make your mistakes at the pencil stage. That is the key. There we go. Look, really rough. Doesn't matter what it looks like at this point. And he's got a long old leg. I'm struggling to get all this on the page, aren't I? Here we go. Long old leg. I'm going to go right off the page now. There we go. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You can do the feet. I'll trust you with the feet. We'll just do the top bit. So. That was really on there, that pen lid. Okay, I'm going to start up here, following the lines all the way around. Nice big black line for that one. And you can follow it through this one there, slightly lighter line if you can. You could use two different pens to do that bit if you like. If you want to do a thicker pen for your outlines, that's absolutely fine. This is going to be completely blacked out in here. Nice. Always satisfying to put a load of black in an area. Okay, and then we're gonna. Don't have to make these noises, but it does make it more fun. Pretty good. So that's coming together, starting to look good already. And then starting to resemble Jack Skellington, isn't it? Bow tie. You can colour this guy in as well. I think a nice sort of shading of greys and blacks would look really nice, actually, and some stark whites would look really, really good underneath here. But you colour him how you want. You can do him orange if you like. Your drawing. Unless you have the job of chief animator on the Nightmare Before Christmas movies, you can do what you like on your Jack Skellington. If you do have that job, then you probably best do it right. Like keep going until you get it really right, because it's quite important. Everyone's going to see. So, just all right. For the rest of you, do what you want. Don't worry about it. If you're the chief animator for the Nightmare Before Christmas movies, do it properly, please. There we go. We don't need much more than that. And there we go. I blacked out the trousers. We're going to black out this bit here. See, I haven't even sped that up. Just that quick. There we go. Look. Again, don't have to make the noises. It's much more fun if you do that. You could even have the soundtrack playing while you were doing this. There's some cracking songs on there, aren't there? What's this? Awesome songs. Even if you haven't seen the film, put the soundtrack on. See if you can stream it somewhere. Because it's awesome. I'm going to just do some lines around the edges. I think that's nice. It sort of implies a little bit of shadow in certain places. I like it. How do you like Jack Skellington? Pretty good, right? I like him. Experiment. Do different styles and different Jack Skellingtons and different casts as well. But if you want more of this sort of stuff, let me know. I want to be led by you, and we'll do some more fun stuff like this next time. If you've enjoyed it, please subscribe and like if you can. It really does help me out. But yeah, get in touch through my website, tomsparke.com. There's a contact page on there. You can let me know what you think. Until then, next time, I'll see you. CaptainFishbeard.com. Bye bye.